Okay. Greetings, fellow travelers. We're going to go on the Royal Tea Party Teacups here at Silver Dollar City in Branson, Missouri. And it's supposed to be a pretty good size teacup ride. So the one that we did at the Great America is pretty popular. So we'll bring you on board for the full teacup ride and review. Royal Tea Party. There's the Grand Exposition coaster over there. It's a starter coaster. They give you 2 spins on it. 3? They do 3 spins. You saw a third one? I think this is called Travel Around the World Center is what this is. And it's in the shade mostly. Mostly. I got some sun on me right now. Just a touch.
Can we spin this right now?
I think you can spin it, but I'm not trying to do any extra work in this heat. So it's a warm one today. The thermostat in the car for the Gatorade and ice water break said 98 degrees, and we had rain yesterday here in Missouri. So it's southern Missouri, and it's a humid one on top. So we're full sun hats and sunscreen, and now we're on a teacup ride. We just got off the Time Traveler roller coaster. That was a great coaster. We'll have 2 videos out there for that. We got on it first night, and that was in a night ride, and then we did a daytime ride. So we'll see how it goes. So far, I'm feeling pretty good about it.
It's kind of like a sprinkler.
If you don't spin it. Oh, the balloon pops open over there. And then they've got the elephant march. That's the flying elephant ride. Over in the distance. It's got a nice breeze on this thing. So there've been a couple of coasters down today, actually. What's the name of the mine coaster? Thunderation. Yeah, Powder Cake was down, but we got on that this trip, so it'll be out there. But Thunderation, no, I don't think that's going to be available this trip at all. So the trains are off. Yeah, we have no information other than that there was a fatality during a maintenance, some type of maintenance. So they've got it shut down. Hopefully they'll get everything fixed back up, and we'll get a ride on that. But we'll see. You know, we'll have to see. So that's the teacup ride. I gotta say, it's nice. Don't be afraid of it. If you don't spin this thing, you don't really get seasick at all. It's kind of like a more gentle scrambler. The scramblers kind of have that, you know, it throws you into the other person right at the end of the throw, and then it goes for you get a little bit more of an acceleration on the flip. This one's just nice and steady, and really, I don't know. I could have gone for a little bit longer ride, but there's the suns. Yep. There's the electro spin over there. So, okay, Becky. Safe to open the gate. Yeah, it's got this little handle right here. You lift it to the left, and then you open it on up, head on out. So, very good. We'll see you for the wrap. All right, that's going to wrap up a very warm ride on the Royal Tea Party. What do you think?
Yeah, it's a fun, gentle ride.
I think the theming is good. As far as actual teacup rides, I mean, you're in real painted teacups. It's really a nice air-conditioned area. They got some country music playing over top, so it's really kind of a nice one to get out of the sun, which we're standing in right now. But if you stuck with us this long, thank you so much. If you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, please consider doing so. And we'll see all of our fellow travelers and loyal subscribers very soon. Bye, everybody.